Hi children and welcome. I hope you are all having a great day. We are going to continue our lesson on flowers. So, we know that flowers have a very important job, and that is to attract other animals to spread their pollen to make more flowers. We've seen different kinds of flowers, sunflowers, hibiscus flowers, lilies. These are tulips. Now they all, flowers have these beautiful bright color petals to attract these pollinators. Remember, pollinators are animals that spread pollen, like birds, bees, butterfly, even bats. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about what a flower is. Now, a flower is a type of plant. That not all plants are flowers. So, here we have a plant. All plants have roots. Remember, roots go in the ground and they suck up the water. They help the flower or the plant be grounded in the soil. All plants have roots, stem, and leaves. That is what makes a plant, a living thing that has roots, stem, and leaves. Now, a flower, like what you see here, is a plant that has this part called a flower. Plants have root, stem, and leaves, and flowers have root, stem, and leaves, and this part called the flower. And today we're going to talk a little bit more of the flower. And the flower is the part that we see with the colorful, bright petals. And there's also other parts that are very important to know too. I'm going to bring you closer to my rug so we can talk a little bit more about the flower. So, all flowers have similar parts. All of them have, here, let me put this over here. All flowers have similar parts. All flowers have something called a stem. A stem connects the roots of the plant to suck up all the nutrients from the ground. Stem also brings food from the leaves to the flowers. This is called the stem. The stem holds the flowers in place so it doesn't fall or break. All flowers have something called a corolla. This is a corolla, which is also called the petal. The corollas come in different colors and sizes. This is a corolla. Some flowers have many different corollas, like the sunflower. Here are the petals. The petals and corollas are the same thing. The corolla, which is also the petal, are very beautiful and bright to attract the bees to come. Another part of the flower is the stamen. This is the stamen. The stamen is where you find pollen. The stamen is long and dangly that make pollen. Bees come to eat the pollen, and while the bees are in the stamen, pollen gets stuck to the bee's legs. Then the bee will fly around and spread pollen everywhere. That is called pollination. So stamen is where pollen is made. This part here is called the pistil. This is called a pistil. This big stick is called a pistil. It collects pollen from other flowers to make more flowers. When pollen from another flower gets stuck on its sticky surface, then it can make more flowers. This is very, very sticky. If you touch it in real life, it's a little slimy. And that is to hold on to the pollen. And that is parts of the flower. We have the stem, also called a calyx stem, the corolla, which is also called petals, we have the the stamen, where you can find pollen, and the pistil that collects pollen from other plants. And those are the parts of the flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.